Welcome to Children Park Daitari. This is entire boundary of the park with beautiful sunshine. This is well connected roadway to the park from all colonies. This small concrete cottage is for security guard. Nearer to main entrance gate. Let us explore inside the children park, Daitari. After main gate, there is another gate with beautiful hanging flower pots and flowering plants. This is the map, well illustrated about the garden and posted inside nearer to entrance gate. This park is filled with green environment, different kinds of plants and trees, an attraction for children and for the Daitari people. These are the views inside garden. This is the net cottage for nursery plants and for cactus plant. Let us explore inside the net cottage. Here neem, chandan, red sandal, pahada, harida, amla, arjuna, kumkum, Asoka, Khaira, guruchi, lemon, ginger, asana, tulsi, aloe vera, and Ganga Siudi plants are available inside the cottage. Next cottage is for cactus plants. This is the entire inside beautiful greenery view of Children Park, Daitari. These are the different kinds of beautiful flowers blooming inside the garden. This is well-sitting arrangement for people for enjoy the environment. This is the beautiful and colorful water fountain inside the garden. You will come and enjoy the beautiful environment. This is time for relax and enjoyment. This is the point where children enjoy each other. This park meant for children to come in the morning and evening to spend their leisure time in the open and fresh air of the park, away from their congested home and busy environment. This water fountain is so beautiful and more attraction in evening time. Colorful lights are arranged for beautification. Now time says to us for evening.
The sun is going to sunset.
This park is under OMC authority, belongs to Daitari iron ore mines, Daitari. Opening time is every morning to evening hours every day. This is the time to say goodbye.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more updates.